Today on Redneck Rescue, just got home from the first rescue and we got called for another rescue in the exact same spot. Now my wife's going with me. Let's go check it out. So we made it back to this point where we're locking hubs, putting boots back on. We're gonna do it one more time. Woo! Getting muddy, getting bumpy. So this is our scene. Same setup as just a little while ago, but this time we've got the Lexus 470. It's a very capable off-road vehicle, but as you can see, once this ground gets wet, there's just no hope. We're gonna hook to the back end, pull it up, and nice and slow, backwards up this hill. So here's our SUV. It's kind of leaning to the side just a little bit. You can see these guys really tried to get back. The Lexus gave it its all, but we'll get the winch out and no big deal. So are you in high, 4 low?
Power all-wheel drive.
All wheel, okay, so it's all wheel?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Does it have a parking brake?
Yes.
Go neutral with the parking brake on. As the back end comes up, you'll just kind of turn the wheel with it. So this will just start to drag you sideways just a little bit. Just let it rotate. Actually, go ahead and turn your tires down the hill. There you go. That'll get you in a better position. Okay, hold your brakes. Let it roll just a little bit. Okay, now turn your tires the opposite direction. There you go. And let's go to reverse.
Okay.
You can take the parking brake off too.
Okay, she's in reverse.
Sweet. Now just a light little bit of gas in reverse. I don't want to slack my rope though, so don't get crazy.
Okay.
Just let it roll with. There you go. Even a little slower than that. And we're pointing in the right direction.
Nice.
Hey, look at that view. Teton's breaking through.
To get stuck.
Right?
Yeah. Still good here?
Yep. There you go. It just helps a little bit, but you let the winch do the work. We just won't even spin a tire. No big deal.
Yeah. And you still want me pointed that way?
Yep. So eventually the goal is to line up with the strap. Okay. So we just took out the 30-footer that we had doubled over. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the next pull and get it up and over the top. All right, reverse, no gas.
Reverse, no gas.
Gotta love the view. Go ahead and start straightening your tires out. Just go in a straight line from there. Yep, it comes around. There you go. A little bit more maybe. So now that we've made it across these flats, we're gonna go ahead and ditch the snatch block. I still got the safety strap in there just cause, especially doing a single line pull. But the heavy load is done. Are you a parking brake? It'll just drag you anyway.
Yeah.
I think it's still, there you go.
I was holding the brake.
We'll just let that roll. Car, lover, you want to stop them? Ask them if they mind waiting like 5 minutes. Here, Redneck Rescue, we call that moving in a positive direction. Go ahead and straighten those tires out now.
I'll tell you when.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's good.
You can feel how it rolls even easier. Just gentle throttle, just to help it just barely. Not that much, halfway in the middle. You can feel where it just kind of like goes a little faster but doesn't slide. That's where you want to be. Teamwork.
Are the wheels still okay?
Still looking great. Doing a great job. Right as the sun's setting over the Tetons.
Crazy. Crazy view.
As you can see, we're no longer sinking in. As the front comes onto the grass, it'll start to gain traction a little bit. We're out of the goo. Almost up to the edge of the road. All right, you could give just a little bit more gas just to help it through. A little more, a little more. Keep going. And let off the gas. All right, we're gonna give a little bit of gas again, and then turn your tires hard to swing your nose that direction. There you go. Perfect. And back up 2 feet. Go ahead, back up. Keep backing. Go, 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 keep coming. There you go, you're on top. Let's stop right there and go park.
Awesome.
On top. No big deal. All right, keep it turned hard. Let's back up 3 feet. Come on back. Keep it coming. There you go, stop. Turn the other way. We're gonna come forward about 3 feet. Keep it coming. Let's stop there. Turn the other direction. Go about 5 feet back. Go ahead and go for it. A little bit more. A little bit more. There you go. Turn them hard this way and we should have it. And then just go for these tracks. There you go. You are back on the road.
Awesome.
Not a problem. So yeah, if you want to just pull up here and I'll go down in front of you. If you enjoyed today's episode of Redneck Rescue, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We got other rescues coming down the line. Have fun out there.